If you're getting a OneDrive error 502, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes that can help you get back into OneDrive fast. This is usually not a problem with your files. In many cases, it's caused by browser cache, cookies, extensions, or even a small network conflict. So before you panic, let's walk through the fixes step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. It really helps the channel, and it lets you know when the next solution drops. First, let's make sure Microsoft servers are actually working. Sometimes the issue is not on your device at all. If the servers are fine, then the problem is usually local, which means we can fix it on your side. The first thing to try is a hard refresh. On Windows, press Ctrl and F5 at the same time. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and R. This forces the browser to reload OneDrive without relying on old stored data. It's a quick fix, and in many cases, it's all you need. If that doesn't work, open OneDrive in an Incognito or private browsing window. In Chrome, that's Incognito. In Microsoft Edge, it's InPrivate. Sign in to OneDrive there and see if it loads normally. If OneDrive works in private mode, that's a strong sign the issue is coming from your browser cache cookies or an extension in your main browser. Next, clear your browsing data. If you're using Chrome, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete. In the window that opens, choose All Time for the time range. Then make sure cache and cookies are selected, especially cached images and files. After that, click Clear Data. This removes old browser files that may be interfering with OneDrive and causing the 502 error. Once that's done, go back and try OneDrive again. If you still see the error, the next step is to disable any VPN, proxy, or ad blocking extension you might be using. These tools can sometimes block the traffic OneDrive needs to connect properly. Turn them off temporarily, refresh the page, and test OneDrive again. If you're still stuck, the next fix is to flush your DNS. On Windows, open Command Prompt and type ipconfig flush DNS, then press Enter. This clears old network information that might be sending your browser to the wrong route or holding on to outdated connections. After that, close the browser, reopen it, and try OneDrive once more. At this point, one of these steps usually solves the problem. If OneDrive now loads properly, you're good to go. If not, you may want to restart your computer and router, then try again after the reboot. That can clear any temporary network issue that is still causing the 502 error. So to quickly recap, hard refresh the page, try private browsing, clear your cache and cookies, disable VPNs or extensions, and flush your DNS. These are the most effective fixes for a OneDrive error 502 when Microsoft servers are working normally. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.